Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with the black pack upgrade, which gives you black front grille and also black 17-inch alloy wheels. On top of this you get Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Some of the other features with this car include a panoramic glass roof, you get tinted rear windows, full LED headlights, there's rear sensors as well as a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car there's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 5,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.